Changing up your hair color can come with many refreshing perks. Whether you want to try out highlights or go for all-over color, today's best at-home hair color kits have stepped their game in terms of formula, color selection, and ease of use. Many formulas have built-in or included conditioners and boost shine. Who would want that? But the time and cost of getting a dye job at the salon can add up, especially since maintenance is needed to keep your new hue in tip-top shape. At the first position of our list, we have Shrine Drop It Hair Color Kit. It's all about versatility with the Shrine Drop It Hair Color Kit, which comes in a whopping 24 shades. Depending on the hair color you're starting out with and the number of formula drops used, there's a wide spectrum of hues your hair can transform into. Just add to any conditioner and customize to the color you're going for. Beverly Hills-based colorist and hairstylist Sharon Choi of Raw Salon says of the easy-to-use formula, apply evenly to towel-dried hair and comb through for even application. Choi notes this product works best on hair with existing highlights as the pigments will not show on darker hair. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Davines Alchemic Conditioner. Craving a hair color update but don't want to commit just yet? Try the Davines Alchemic Conditioner, also recommended by Choi. Each of its 6 temporary sheets will gradually fade more and more after each shampoo. How long the color lasts depends on your hair health and the shade you choose. For an even application, it's always best to start in the back and work your way forward to the front of your hairline, says Choi, who says this formula will work best on lighter hair as the pigments will not be visible on dark hair. The number 3 position is held by IGK Permanent Color Kit. Get head turning, shiny hair with IGK's Permanent Hair Color. This easy-to-apply formula recommended by Valdez gives hair vibrant, dimensional color that looks as if you just stepped out of a high-end salon. It focuses on increasing the shine level, which many at-home color kits lack, Valdez notes. Plus, the formula also leaves your hair feeling softer and smoother. If you have very thick hair, I would order more color to ensure you have enough to finish your application, Valdez adds. And on fine hair, I would be cautious about overlapping too much, since it could give you a darker than desired result. Choose from 25 shades, including various shades of brown and black, as well as light cool lavender, dark coppery blonde, and more. Next at number 4 we have L'Oreal Paris Féria Midnight Bolds. Looking to go dark and bold? An at-home transformation sans bleach is actually possible. L'Oreal Paris' Féria Midnight Bolds is an extension of the award-winning Féria family that encompasses 5 gorgeous hues of dark reds and violets. Violet Eclipse pictured above because pastels don't fit everyone's vibes. The included Power Shimmer Conditioner seals in the color for a smooth, conditioned, and healthy look. The number 5 position is held by Garnier Nutrisse Nourishing Color Cream. I like Garnier, especially for blondes. They have options ranging from ashy, for cooler tones to more golden if you want a warmer look, explains Fitzsimmons. Made with a blend of avocado, shea, and anti-inflammatory coconut oils, Garnier Nutrisse Color Cream is available in 45 shades, so there's truly something for everyone. The number 6 position is dominated by Arctic Fox Bleach. Please Complete Hair Lightening Kit. Arctic Fox's Bleach Please Kit comes with everything you need to lighten your hair in preparation for pastel colors like cotton candy pink, lilac, or platinum. You get a vegetable-based cream bleach made without beeswax, a mango and cocoa seed butter-infused developer, and a pair of latex-free gloves. What's more, the bleach has a violet base to help cool down yellow tones, just like a toner or purple shampoo would. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Frieda Precision Foam Color. Anyone who's applied hair color knows that dripping is an annoying part of the application process, says hairstylist Damian Manzillo about the advantages of foam application. When you use Frieda's Precision Foam Color, you're left with a clean bathroom and hairline. He says, to ensure no one knows you've just dyed your hair, Manzillo recommends using a little bit of Vaseline on and around your hairline skin to prevent any color lines from sticking around. He also advises dividing the hair into half-inch sections while dyeing to allow the color to absorb better. This may seem like overkill, but the results are always better when you take your time. Finally, the number 8 position is dominated by Revlon Total Color Hair Color. Revlon's Total Color Hair Color is a vegan cream formula made without ammonia, sulfates, silicones, and phthalates, infused with a conditioning blend of hemp and camellia oils. It's gentler on both the hair and scalp than some of its competitors. Plus, it offers long-lasting permanent color in 17 classic hues, like darkest brown pictured above that won't fade on you after just a few washes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. We upload all types of beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.